Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Today I want to do a review on the ideal 9.5-inch Linesman Pliers with crimp and fish tape puller. I pre-opened the package so that I wouldn't have to struggle so much while filming to open it. We have a part number 30-3430. Pick it up at Lowe's. And for the price point, I would say it's an investment. This is $40 retail. And it's pretty heavy. It is really heavy. I love the color of the handle. So we have an L for linesman, both sides. Ideal on one side. Do not use on live circuits. We have loops there, and the loops are probably part of the shielding, so I don't think there's any metal in there. So we have the front 30-3430 USA, ideal. Check out the rivet. And that's pretty freaking cool. Show it to you again. So when you open it, it is a pretty tight fit. You can get it with one hand. This is typically how I open my Linesman pliers, with one hand. Stick my trigger finger in there and just here is the cutter. Let me show you the teeth. So it's a cross pattern. You kind of see the serrations on it. That's my fingernail grinding against them. So that's the front side. The back side, we're going to have our fish tape puller here, and we have some grip and our crimper. I'm going to show you a leading competitor. Now these ones have been used a lot more. Beat up pretty good right here. Has a wire crimper as well. I don't know if you can see that. So this is a 9-inch. This is a 9.5-inch. We got the little 1/2-inch. The finish is pretty nice. It's not chrome, it's darker. So let's start off by cutting some wire. I had some number 10 stranded. Pretty easy, piece of cake. I have some number 10 solid. I'm sorry, number 12 solid. Cuts that pretty easy. Some number 6 stranded with a bit more spongy of a insulation on there. Pop that right off. So let's see. Maybe we can twist some wires together with it. So we have here 3 number 12 solid, let's go ahead and slip a wire nut on there. So that's on there pretty good. I'd say that was a success. Let's try snipping 2 number 12 solids. Alright. Let's add a number 10 stranded. Got that, no problem. So let's add this number 6 stranded. So we have 2 number 12 solid, a number 10 stranded, and a number 6 stranded. Let's see if we can snip all these together at the same time. Got them. Alright. So we're going to try the crimper. It's insulated. So we're going to go ahead and slip that in there. Just like that. And that's on there real good. Let's try another one. We're going to do a blue one. Crimp that together pretty well too. So that's the crimping part of the review. So we're showing our wear on our tool already, but I don't see any dings or dents or anything like that, so I think we're okay. I have some standard fish tape, and we're going to go ahead and give that a pull. See right there. Nice. Kind of hooks on right away. So I'm able to grip the fish tape. Excuse me, I'm able to grip the fish tape using the tool with one hand. So that's not bad. So all in all, I gotta say the performance is pretty good. So there we have it. The ideal 9.5-inch Lineman pliers with crimp and fish tape puller. So thanks a lot and have a nice day.